Hi, this is Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get Meta AI feature on WhatsApp. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. The Meta AI chatbot is an AI-powered virtual assistant embedded within the WhatsApp application. This innovative feature allows users to interact with Meta's advanced AI technology directly through their chats. So how to do it if you want to how to get this feature? It's so simple. So first you have to make sure that your WhatsApp is on the latest version. You can update your WhatsApp on your App Store or Play Store. If there is an option to update your WhatsApp, you can just update your WhatsApp and you can open your WhatsApp and you'll get this feature, the Meta AI feature. You can find in here the icon. You can just tap on that and here you can start to ask to your Meta AI. It's so simple, right? So that is how to get Meta AI feature on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.